Hello, this training is on data shortcuts. So data shortcuts are similar to an XREF in that you can bring data from one file and show it in another, except that data shortcuts are used with Civil 3D objects, and you can retain the functionality of those Civil 3D objects, say from drawing A and drawing B. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. So I just have a surface. It's an existing surface. So I just copied the file from a project that I'm working on. If I come into Data Shortcuts, this is in your tool space. If you click the Home tab and click Tool Space, this shows up. So if you come into Data Shortcuts, right click and say New Data Shortcuts Project Folder. Hopefully it should default to where we normally save them. That's on the S drive, Autodesk 2017 Data Shortcuts. Give it the name it your project number. In this case, since this and you click OK. Now that you have your Data Shortcuts folder created, if you come right click and you create Data Shortcuts, this will bring up all Civil 3D objects in the drawing that you're in that you could possibly create data shortcuts from. Since there's only a surface in here, I'll just click the surface, click OK. Now I've created this surface as a data shortcut. So if I go into a different drawing and I want to bring that surface in as a data shortcut, say this is my pipe network drawing, and I want to show a profile with that surface. I come in here and same thing, click on your data shortcuts, except I have to set the location of where I want it to look for that data shortcut. So browse to that same location, click on the Data Shortcuts folder and click OK. Then you come back over here to your data shortcuts, right click and say Set Project Folder. And then you come browse for that folder. Find it, click on it, click OK. Now if you expand this surface tab down here, you can see all the data shortcuts that are in that data shortcut project folder. And if you want to bring it into the drawing, you right click on the surface and say Create Reference. This asks you about styles. I'll just bring it in so you can see it. And this is the surface. I can't edit it, I can click on it. Kind of similar to an XREF in that you can't really edit it, you can just see it, which is good. The only way you can edit the surface is in the source drawing where that surface actually resides. But we can still retain the functionality, so if I want to show this in my profile, I come up here to Profile, Create Surface Profile. I go find that alignment that I'm looking at. I go find the existing natural ground surface. I add it. I want to show that as existing. Click OK, and there it is. It shows up in my profile now. So that's how you use data shortcuts. So you can use data shortcuts for things like surfaces, alignments, pipe profile, pipe networks. Those are usually the main things I use them for. Shortcuts in a short video. Thank you.